Peter, this is something called Google. Like, every human being knows about it. Right, you want to try to search up something? This is a search engine.
Okay.
Right, it helps you look for stuff on the web. Right, use your flippers or your beak to try and type in pie. You typed in a 7. R-E. You're not even using the keyboard. Alright, you just tab, so we're almost on a different website. Now you knocked the keyboard down, Peter.
I did it!
Oh cool, you typed in 7 pies.
7 pies. Woohoo!
Computer! Ow! 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 Oh man, the computer just turned off. Oh man, it's all because you stabbed me.
I'm sorry, here
Ow! 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 Stop. 7 dot 0 plus 3 equals